In this video, I show you how to set up the Bush Lapa Miskruier, and I also give you some tips and my pros and cons on using this caravan.
Okay, welcome to another episode of Four Wheeling SA. In this episode, I'm going to do a short review on the Bush Lapa Miskruier off-road caravan. So the Bush Lapa I have is the Bush Lapa Miskruier, and one of the main reasons why I bought it is because it's so compact, it's easy to set up, and that was something we were looking for. What I want to do in this episode is I just want to show you how I put it up, how it packs up, and give some pros and cons, and also talk a bit about the modifications that I made to the caravan. So all of that's coming up. The first thing I usually do is to put the jockey wheel in place and try to get the caravan as level as possible, and then after that I will quickly put on those rear steadies. Okay. You'll know. Okay. You'll know. Okay. So the next step is just to unclip all of these. And the next thing is just to first to lift up the roof. Yeah. Like this. Right. Here. Open side bed. There. Support that keeps it in place. Just hold, keep it in place. And that's the last part, basically, to open up the door of your caravan. The next step will be to set up the bush wing. There. Just over. Using these clips. Open to the other side. Back. Just fold this one down. Clip. And that's basically all you need to do. We can put in the other poles here as well. It gives it a bit more strength, but for a one night sleepover this should be sufficient, unless you see there's some bad weather coming. Then I would tighten it and put it on the pegs and things like that. But yeah, I think it's less than 5 minutes just to put up to have some basic shade. Pull these out. the tips. Pulling out basically just pulling it, taking out the thinnest round out. You don't have any little fall. That's why we did the more. And that's basically it in packing up the bush lapa. The last part is just to pull in the roof and then hook your trailer and then you're on your way. In terms of the modifications, what did I change to it from when I got it? But when I got it, it only came out with a single 100 amp hour battery. So I've added a second one, changed the jockey wheel in the front, and it also makes it easier to maneuver the caravan through sand or soft grass. What I've also added to the caravan is some frontal protection. What I did is I put a DC charger as close as possible to the battery. What I also did is I've changed the original fly sheets. So they used to be made from nylon, and I've changed that to ripstop. I also installed a digital voltage meter. Now you do have a voltage meter, and there's a National Lunar one, which gives you basically the dots next to each reading, but I just want something that's a bit more accurate, which gives me 13.6 or 13.7, and together with that I've put in some USB points as well. That's part of that voltage meter, which is just easy if you need to charge cell phones. You don't need to put in the 2-point plug or whatever, and you can charge it straight from the main battery. Starting off with the pros is it's like I mentioned, it's the weight and size, easy to handle. Also the modular setup, you can set it up quickly for a one-night stay over, or if you want to stand for a week. And it's also, for me, it's very stable behind my towing vehicle. Now some of the cons I have with it, the water tank, it doesn't have a gauge, so you don't know how much water is left. Front jockey wheel, so it does turn to slip, so that's why I put in a wooden block there. It's just peace of mind. The other thing is access to the front bed, where you basically need to climb below a bar, and we've had it a couple of times with people bumping their head. For now, I'm happy with the way things work, but that's just some of the cons that I've picked up over time. So my final conclusion, it's a good package. It's what I prefer. That's what works for me and my family. Easy, simple, keeps its value very well. It's a high quality product, and yeah, that's it in a nutshell. Thanks for watching the video, and if you like it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching. And yeah, if you have any questions, put them in the comments below, and let me know if you would like some follow-up video, or you can maybe look at other aspects of the caravan. See you at the next one.